Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to add pages to a PDF in Adobe Reader 2025. Whether you're a student compiling notes, a professional preparing reports, or just someone organizing digital files, this skill will save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Reader 2025 installed on your device. If not, head over to the Adobe website, download it for free, and install it quickly. It's straightforward and won't take more than a minute. Once you're set up, open Adobe Reader and load the PDF file you want to edit. Simply go to the File menu, select Open, and navigate to your document. Now, in this updated 2025 version, Adobe has made editing more accessible. Look for the Tools panel on the right side of the interface. If you don't see it, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to expand your options. Next, in the Tools panel, find and select Edit PDF, or Organize Pages. This might vary slightly based on your settings, but it's usually right there. Once you're in, click on Add Pages. You can choose to add a blank page or insert pages from another PDF file. For example, if you're adding from another file, browse and select it, then decide where you want the new pages to go. Maybe at the end or right in the middle. After making your selections, preview the changes to ensure everything looks good. Adobe Reader 2025 includes a neat preview feature to avoid any mistakes. Finally, hit Save or Save as to store your updated PDF. Remember to choose a new file name if you want to keep the original intact. And there you have it. That's how you add pages to a PDF in Adobe Reader 2025. It's a game changer for quick edits without needing fancy software. If you run into any issues, double check that you're using the 2025 version, as older ones might not have these features. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.